It's an absolute little ripper. You know, if I was a better pilot, do one of those punch outs that I do in the 5. Yeah, that's alright, eh? It takes it. Try a coin drop. Oh, bro. Nearly caught you, eh? That's a nice tree. What can we do around that tree? I mean, a good pilot can do anything he wants, right? I hate them flips I do where I don't roll it the same orientation. I mean, same speed. Right, let's get some. Someone's up there. Fuck. Damn it. Car's coming. What's he doing? He ruined my trippy. Nah, it was all me. What am I doing? What am I doing? It's called tree tap, you fool. It's not intentional. Oh man. Oh, that's pretty cool. You can Matty through that, I guess. Oh dude, you could get hung up in a tree, I guess. I'm getting a few saves in. This is the one I want to reverse blind. Yeah, bro. Did it. It was not the smoothest. I want to look down more. So this one here. Less slow than before. There we go. Bit of flow.
Timer 1 elapsed.
Oh, I suck. Right. Okay, here we go. Inverted Matty into trippy. I guess it counts. Does it count? I mean, I didn't go in tight, but pretty neat trippy. I gotta find a better way to exit them. Sort of like an alley-oop out or something would be really cool. Getting more flowy. This is nice. I like this. Now power loop over as well. It's a fast little drone, man. I mean, I'm not booting it. I could be doing that, you know, like eject or whatever. Let's go for a scrub run. I don't really know this place. I should be alright, okay. Oh bro, just sliced it. Just slice that tree, yo. Okay. It's so much fun. Don't know what that was. Knife edge orbit, I guess. I actually never done one of them before. I was just trying to lock it in, so let's try that again. Probably good for control, you know, like all these tricks you learn. See, I'm not locked in on the angle. Or my orbit is a bit rough, so I gotta get, like a trippy, I gotta sort of, once I go tighter, I gotta rotate more. Oh, I'm not getting it. Yeah, I'm fucking sloppy. Alright, come on, lock in from the slowly arc in, maybe. That's fun. Different. For me, anyway, different for me. Man, 20 volts, shit. I'm coming. Come on, my baby.